Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to remove the restricted mod on YouTube TV. So if you're on YouTube TV, if you are not seeing some content and some content has been restricted, and if you want to remove the restrictions, all you have to do is you can simply go to the top right corner and you can go to settings. In the settings, on the left side, you should see the rating filter. So these are all the restricted content options. So if you want to allow all of the content and not have any content that is restricted to any of the ratings, you can simply click allow all kind of content, and this will remove any restrictions that you have on your YouTube TV. So I hope this was helpful and this resolved your problem. Thank you so much for watching.